I'm going to start my supper early tonight. I'm going to use the Ninja Foodi and the HotLogic Mini. In the Ninja Foodi, I'm going to make some country style ribs, 2 pounds. And that's about 3/4 of the way frozen. And right now I'm going to put that in the refrigerator because I'm going to start the HotLogic part of the meal first. I have a delicious birria ready pasta rotini, fully cooked al dente. I'm just going to use this for a side, and then we got this new Taco Bell zesty ranch cheese that I'm going to try. So I'm going to start this around noon in the HotLogic Mini. Okay, you have a HotLogic Mini, don't you? And I have a Pyrex inside. This is a food cooker upper, warmer, hot plate inside. Take it with you if you want to go somewhere. I'm going to use 2 bags of these. These are 8.5 ounces. Put 1 bag down, 1 pouch, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to put a little bit of the Taco Bell cheese on there, which I never tried before. Should be good, shouldn't it? Ooh, smells pretty good. Some of that down there. Not too much. Then I'm going to open the other pouch of the birria ready pasta, fully cooked rotini. This is just my side dish, and I wanted to start it early because I have a few things to do, and I'm going to come back later this afternoon, about 3:30, and I'm going to start the country style ribs in the Ninja Foodi. I'm going to go on high pressure first, and then I'm going to crisp it, crisping lid, and that's going to be good. All right, look at this. Look at what it looks like now, and then you can look at what it looks like later. You think you're going to like it? Put the lid on. Zip it up. Now remember, you could take this with you. This is an electric lunchbox. It's a travel bag. It's a cooker. It's a portable mini oven. Personal portable mini oven. HotLogic Mini. But for today, I'm going to plug it into the wall here. I already used this in my car, you know. Take it to work. Cook on your boat, your RV, dorm rooms, the garage. All right, I plugged it in. See? And now I'm going to go cut the grass, go shopping, do a few things. And if this was my only meal, I'd come back and my meal would be ready, but that's going to be the side to the country style ribs and the Ninja Foodi. So I'll see you at 3:30. And I ain't going to peek at that. I can't wait. See you then. All right, it's 3:30. I did some stuff. HotLogic is nice and warm. Love it. And my meat is still not completely thawed out, but that's okay. It's about halfway thawed out. I'm gonna open my Ninja Foodi. Watch. Foodi. Got a rack in here. White ceramic non-stick. Open this piece of meat. Only to find out that they're not boneless. Did I say that before? They're not boneless. But the ribs, they're going in. And, hang on. And today I'm going to use Central Barbecue Slow Smoked Memphis Style mild barbecue sauce. This is from my buddy Jim Wilson. Remember sending me that goodie bag of barbecue stuff? First time using it. Oh, smell that. Memphis style. And pour this all over top of that. Oh, this is going to be good. I'm going to put this under pressure for 45 minutes. Just cover the top of that with that delicious Central barbecue sauce. I'm gonna add 1.5 cups of water to the bottom of this pot for our pressure. 1.5. Get our pressure lid, which is over here. Remember, this is a Ninja Foodi pressure cooker, crisper. Put the lid on. Power, pressure, high for 45 minutes. All right, with me so far. There we go. Press start. So we're gonna do. Then when it comes up to the proper pressure, it's gonna start counting down. Make sure you're in pressure mode on top like every other pressure cooker you have, which I am. Okay. Then we have a good meal. Pretty soon. At the end, I'm gonna crisp it with the crisping lid, remember? Or brown it, or caramelize it somewhat. Be back then. With seconds remaining. I like how it counts down the minutes and seconds. We're down to 31 seconds until we let the pressure out. Here we go. Nice. Let's let the pressure out so we can get on with the next step. Oof. Boy, does that smell good. I'm starting to smell that Central Barbecue, mild barbecue sauce, slow smoke, Memphis style. What's going on out there? All right, you hear that click? I'm gonna stop that, even stop that, keep warm mode. And we're gonna remove our lid. Oh, look at this. Right now I can unplug the HotLogic because we know it's done. Didn't look at it though. That was about 4 hours, wasn't it? Yeah, 4.5 hours for that. Didn't peek at it yet, you'll see it soon. Now I'm gonna add a little more slow smoke Memphis style Central barbecue sauce right on top of that. Like I can make it a little bit better, right? Put it on there. You know what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna put the crisping lid down on the Ninja Foodi, like this. And I'm gonna press Air Crisp. See it? Air Crisp 390. See how many minutes it's on. 20 minutes. We'll go with that, but I'm gonna look at it in 10. See that? There it goes. And we'll have to sneak a peek, see? Lift the lid to sneak a peek. Check our progress. It's gonna be a good supper. Alright, delicious supper coming up. Macaroni and Taco Bell cheese. Oh, I forgot about that. Did you forget about that? I didn't forget about that. Oh, that's gonna be good. That's some good ribs. Just about 10 minutes left. Let's take a peek on top of that. How's it look? Is that enough? Oh, a couple minutes more. What do you think? That's pretty good, just like that. I say a couple more minutes. I don't know why. Why? Time to eat. Meantime, I'm gonna make a can of cream corn because I like cream corn. That's gonna go good with Taco Bell mac and cheese and some good barbecue ribs. Whoa. Alright, 6.5 minutes left. Oh, I think that's enough. You think that's enough? Did you look at this yet? Or do you want to look at it?
Oh, that looks beautiful.
You just done?
Yeah.
You want a piece, you think?
Yeah, okay.
You know what's in the HotLogic?
What?
Taco Bell mac and cheese.
Oh.
Green corn in the microwave. All right, let's stop this. Happy with that. Turn off the power. Look at the HotLogic. Let's look in here. Been looking at this since like 12 noon. Oh, look at, got that Taco Bell spice looking cheesy cheese to it. Look. Put that on my plate. With some ribs and some cream corn. And fancy plate. Add the cream corn, I put a little butter in there. It's hot. Homemade. See how these ribs are gonna come out. They might separate at this point. Yeah, look. Whew. Look at that. One. Since there's 4, I'm gonna take 2. See that? A little bone on the bottom. Aren't they great? They come right apart. I'll put that on my other plate. We're on your plate. Where's their 5? Look at, separate with the tongs. Oh, there's 3 and 2. So I'll have the 3, you have the 2. No, I'll start with the 2. I'm not a hog. Huh?
No, take the 3.
Make a nice plate over here.
Yeah, okay.
Quick. Here. Put some of my Taco Bell mac and cheese down there. Look at. I'll put a link down there for this. Have some cream corn. Into my plate. Don't be late. That look good. Oh. What do you think, Jim? Like it? How am I gonna taste that rib for you? Sitting down or standing up?
Better sit down.
All right. 2 spoons. Nice tea. Let's check these ribs. You're gonna have some, right? I'm just tasting this right now.
Yeah.
Fingers or fork? Wasn't that easy to make too? All right, the crisping lid, caramelized. That sauce, look, the bone. The bone just won't stay on there, look. All right, let me try a fork right now. Got a little crunch of the caramelized on top. From the crisping lid. Got the bone. It melts in my mouth. Let's try this HotLogic Taco Bell melted cheese. Perfect. Boy, that's so good. Let me try my homemade cream corn with butter melted in it. I like it. More of that rib. There? Oh. Okay. Make that in your Ninja Foodi. Make that in your HotLogic Mini. All right, everybody. Talk to you soon. Cheers. Have a nice day. Have a nice night. I'll talk to you soon. I'm overwhelmed. All right, please subscribe. See you later.